Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to recover your disabled Facebook account. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Is your account disabled on Facebook? A disabled Facebook account will not allow users to access their Facebook accounts and browse the platform. There are instances in that Facebook will not issue a warning before disabling a Facebook account. For accounts that were disabled for severe violations, their Facebook accounts might not be restored anymore. It is best to check out the Facebook community standards to avoid your account from being disabled without warning. As long as you don't violate Facebook community policies, you can submit an appeal to recover your disabled Facebook account. You will need to provide information to verify that you are the real owner of the Facebook account. Now here are situations where your Facebook account is disabled: posting content that doesn't follow Facebook terms, using a fake name, impersonating another Facebook user, behavior that's not allowed on Facebook, promoting or advertising via direct messaging. Now let me show you how to recover your disabled Facebook account. First, go to the URL facebook.com and log in with the username and password of your disabled account. To submit an appeal, you can search for the Facebook Help Center on Google. In the search field, search for Disabled Facebook Account Recovery. Choose the option My Personal Facebook Account is Disabled. Scroll down and look for What can I do if my account has been disabled. The first line shows you where you can access a link if your account is disabled by mistake. Now this is the recovery form for your disabled account. You need to submit your information here. Within 30 days after your account was disabled, you can submit more information for your disabled account. Take note that this form should be submitted if your account has been disabled for violating Facebook's community standards. Input your login email address or mobile phone here. Below, input the full name as it is listed on your Facebook account. Next, you need to provide a valid ID. You don't have to worry about your ID since Facebook will encrypt and store your ID for a year securely. Next, appeal disabled profile. Search for the Facebook appeal form on Google. Click on this link, then input your contact email here, then upload your ID. On this page, you can learn the types of IDs that Facebook accepts here. Here's a list of government IDs and non-government IDs that you can use. Use this guided help when having trouble uploading your ID. Next, Facebook disabled, ineligible. Search for this term on Google, then click the link here. On this page, you can provide your email address or phone number, then input your full name in this text field. Scroll down to upload your ID. We have a marketing app that allows you to track ads from your competitors. Adplify gives you 7 popular SaaS tools for total Facebook ads domination. With Page Ad Watcher, you can track ads from your competitors. With Hidden Insights and Audiences Finder, you can find high-profit audiences that Facebook Ad Manager hides from you. Boost your conversions with behavioral retargeting. With Page Targeter, you can get the audiences and the strategies of top businesses in your niche. With Email List to Audience, you can turn every lead into a buyer with Instant List to Facebook retargeting. With Ad Decorator, you can make people stop scrolling every time they see your ad. With ROI Calculator, scale your ad's profitability without paying first. Try Adplify now. Go to getadplify.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.